Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to see about Elixir Airdrop only guys. This particular project have already raised literally $17.6 million in the fundraise guys, and their lead investor is Mistin Labs, and Binance Research have officially made a tweet about the modular network. Elixir has secured literally US 8 million in Series B funding round co-led by Mistin Labs and Maelstrom by bringing its valuation to literally 800 million guys. And their mainnet will be launching in August month, and before that we'll be able to participate here, and so that we'll be getting eligible for the airdrop when they'll be providing it. And before we start our video, if this is your first time visiting to my channel, so make sure to subscribe to my channel guys and click the like button, continue watching it. Many of you are watching my videos without liking it. It hardly takes 1 second of your time to hit the like button and continue watching it. And this is our Telegram channel guys. Here only I'll be updating all sorts of time sensitive information, airdrop details, airdrop link and everything. So in case if you don't want to miss out those kind of updates and all, must follow me here also. And if you haven't participated in howtogetElixirAirdrop, must participate here also guys. Their voyage 2 is live now. So with that being said, let's get into the video. So first of all, their project links I'll be providing it inside my Telegram channel. There you can get the links. Okay, so once you click on the link, it will take you here. So first thing, we need to connect our wallet. Just click on connect and click on connect wallet and MetaMask, and then choose MetaMask, and MetaMask will pop up. We just need to click on next and click on connect, and then we need to do the sign. Okay, so just click on the sign and scroll down, just click on sign, and then it will be done. Okay, so we have now successfully connected our wallet. So once you connect your wallet, we need to connect our social accounts. Okay, so first thing, we need to connect our Twitter account. Just click on follow and it will take you to your Twitter account. We need to authorize the app. So once you give authorize, your account will get connected there. So here you can see it got connected, and now we need to connect our Discord account too. Okay, so just click on join, and then it will take you to the Discord account, and here just come give authorize. So guys, once you connect your Twitter account, your Discord account, it will be looking like this only. So currently you can see the points is not even been shown here. So how we can increase our points and get our rank in the leaderboard is very simple. So we have to provide liquidity. Okay, so using the this platform, so you'll be able to get this link also inside my Telegram channel. So what we have to do is we need to come to this platform, and first thing, we need to connect the wallet. Just connect your wallet in Arbitrum network. Okay, because there only the less fee we will be having. So just click on connect and MetaMask will pop up. Just click on connect, and then just click on next and click on connect, and then it will get connected here. Okay, so switch the network. So once it got connected, just come back here, and you need to have some balance in your wallet. Okay, so in my wallet I'm having some balance in USDT. Okay, so I'm going to deposit here in USDC some $150. Okay, so what we can do, we can scroll down. You'll be able to see lot of pools will be available where you'll be able to do the supply. Okay, so but we're going to add in the Arbitrum by USDC. Okay, so just choose this one, click on supply, and once you click on supply, it will take you here, and you can see I'm having some $150 worth of USDC. Okay, so guys, we must need to do this kind of investment in order to get the airdrop in the future. But here our main balance will not get affected. Okay, so your balance will be safe here, so it will be locked here. You can withdraw at any moment you want. Okay, so I'll show you how you can withdraw your balance in case if you want to stop doing this also. Okay, so I'm going to deposit 149 USDC. Okay, so just click on supply, and then it will ask for the confirm. Just click on confirm, and then your MetaMask will pop up. We just need to make a transaction. Okay, so just click on next and click on approve. So after it got approved, then we need to click on confirmation. Okay, so just click on confirm, and here you can see supply was successfully added here. So just click on OK. So if you want to keep track of your balance, so we deposited in this pool only, so just bookmark this one, and then we'll be able to. So guys, after you add in the watch list, so if you go on top, if you click on the watch list, you'll be able to see the balance. Okay, so if you want to withdraw your money which you deposited, here you can see withdraw button. Just click on that, and once you click on that, you can just click on 100%, and if you click withdraw, your share will be withdrawn. Okay, again. Okay, and so now after you deposit deposit, if you come back here, we'll be able to see our points and then everything. Okay, so here you will be able to see the liquidity. So in the leaderboard you will be able to see the rank also, okay, about you. So this is how you can actually do the things. And apart from that, so guys, after you successfully deposited here, just head back here, and here you will be able to see your rank, and then your points will be shown up here. So just now I added, no, so here you can see after 24 hours you will be able to see the after 24 hours of your depositing, no, then we'll be able to get the data of the points and liquidity and your deposit balance and everything. So if you click on this one, we'll be able to mint this one, I guess. So if you want, you can do it, but it's on the mainnet, this thing, but I won't recommend you to do this one and all, but it's totally up to you to do this one. Okay, so apart from that, we'll be able to check our points and all here in the leaderboard. So pretty much this is what you need to do in order to gain these points. Okay, and finally we'll be able to convert these points into the airdrop tokens. Okay, so and in August month they're going to launch their mainnet, so before that you gotta we have plenty of the time to farm the points. Okay, so must try this airdrop, guys, and whenever you want you can actually withdraw back your balance. Okay, so that's the major thing here. So you don't need to wait for the lockup period and all. There is no lockup period and all, so right away you can withdraw whenever you want it. Okay, so that's it, guys, in this video. I hope you all like this video. If you do so, hit the like button, and thank you, guys. Thank you for watching this video until the very end.